Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Toyota 86 GT Coupe. Stock reference number 4876. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine with the left-hand headlight, left fog light and bumper flasher, guard flasher, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left door has 3 small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, boot lid has 1 small dent and holes drilled for an aftermarket spoiler, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror, driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and red cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.